Hello and welcome to my 3.1 video on quadratic functions. I'm graphing the following quadratic functions and finding x and y intercepts, domain and range, and any vertexes. So the first one is y negative 1 is equal to x minus 3 parentheses squared. So you want to first set this up into vertex form and get y by itself. So set it equal, so y equal to 1 parentheses x minus 3 close parentheses squared. And then you'll take your value next to your x, which represents your x value, which is 3, and then your 1 on the outside of the parentheses, which represents your y value, and then you'll get your vertex at 3, 1, with no x-intercepts, and then a y-intercept at 9. The domain is always going to be negative infinity towards positive infinity, and then range is 9 towards infinity. So we go down to the next one, and this one's a little bit more complex because you can't set it up simply into vertex form. So first what you want to do is you're going to want to try to solve the expression, kind of. You want to take your 6 and then your first value, which is just like 1 because x squared, and then you'll plug it in here to this little equation of negative 6 over 2 parentheses 1. And then once you do that math for that, you'll get negative 3. Okay, and then you'll plug in the negative 3 in every spot the x appeared in the equation. And then what you'll get is a vertex at negative 6 and negative 24, and then y-intercept at 9, the domain being the same, range negative 24 towards positive infinity. Last one is a word problem. I want you to find how long a cardboard shell would take to hit the ground after a fireworks show. So do the same thing as you did on this other one. You'll take your b value and your a value, and then you put the b over the a value, parentheses 2, and then you'll do the math for that, and you'll get 2, and then you plug in the 2 into where t is, and then what you'll get is once you solve out this equation is 144 seconds is what it would take to hit the ground. And that is my video.